Hi friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to look at the solution of grip task 2. In this task, we have to predict the optimum number of clusters from the given iris dataset and represent it visually. The dataset we are going to use can be found in the description and also the GitHub source code. The dataset has four variables, namely sepal length, sepal width, petal width, and three species of iris, namely iris setosa, iris versicolor, iris virginica. As usual, our first step will be importing our libraries, importing our data, and df.head gives the first 5 rows of our data, df.shape gives the structure of our data, df.info gives the all column names, nonal count, and data type of that column. df.describes gives the some mathematical information about our data. Visualizing data. Here we are going to plot a scatter plot to determine the relationship between sepal length, sepal width, and petal length, petal width. Here it is. Now we are going to plot a scatter plot to determine the relationship between sepal length, petal versus petal length, and sepal width versus petal width. Here it is. Now let's plot a pair plot between the species. It might take some time. Yeah, here it is. Now let's plot the heat map to check the correlation between all the variables. As we can see here, there's a strong positive correlation between petal length, petal width, and petal length, sepal length, and a negative correlation between sepal length and sepal width. Now let's create a variable x, which consists of first 4 rows of our data. Performing K-means clustering algorithm. Plotting the elbow plot. Elbow plot helps us to find the optimum number of clusters. This is called as an elbow plot because it looks like an elbow, and the tip of that elbow value is 3. So our optimal number of clusters is 3. And if from our model we can say we will assign the value of n clusters equals 3, and visualizing our clusters. Here they are. And yes, our model performed pretty well as it gave us 3 different clusters and also plotted the centroids of all these clusters. So thank you for watching. Like the video and leave a comment down below.